Hi everyone, welcome back to another edition where we get to talk about digital skills in high demand. My name is Joy and today we'll be talking about the full stack web design and development. Full stack web design and development is one of the digital skills in high demand today in Nigeria. As a professional full stack web developer, you get to have a comprehensive understanding of both the front end and the back end development. And the front end web design, you get to use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create visual designs and user interface of a website. This is the part of the website that users see and interact with whenever they visit your website. While the back end, you use languages like Python, PHP, Mongo DB, and Java to power the functionality of your website. This is the part of the website that manages the data and logic behind the scene. Being a full stack web developer means you can work on both the front end and the back end of a website, giving you a well-rounded skill set that is highly sought for in most industries and organizations today in Nigeria. Many businesses, organizations, and industries of all sizes today need a web designer and developer to creating a website from scratch, updating and maintaining the website for them. As a full stack web designer and developer, you play a crucial role when it comes to keeping businesses connected to their customers online. Learning full stack web design and development can open a world of opportunity in a variety of organizations and industries. Website design and development is one of the digital skills you should consider learning because this is one of the digital skills in high demand. I would like to mention few things you should look out for when enrolling to become a professional website designer and developer. One, you should consider a classroom that is less crowded, that is void of noise. Another thing you should consider is a training school where a trainer is assigned to you for mentoring and coaching. The third and most important point is a training school where you get to build a real life project as a way of testing what you have learned. What are you waiting for? Why not visit any of our offices today? You can also visit our website to learn more and register for digital skills in high demand. You can call or WhatsApp the numbers on your screen for more information. Learn digital skills in high demand, for we are in a digital economy and do not be left behind. Until I come your way again, bye.